Woman shares heartbreaking story of house demolition in Lagos. A woman has shared a heartbreaking account of how the house they just purchased in February is being marked for demolition in May. According to the woman, they have only stayed in the house for just 2 months. Sharing the heartbreaking news online with tears, she said, "All the hard work, all the sleepless nights, everything. If you're in Lagos, you know how much properties in Eti-Osa cost. Each time my son sees me crying, he would always ask why I am crying. Mummy, you have been crying. How do I explain to our son? How? What do I tell my children?" Please, watch the short video and listen.
We bought that property in February. I've only been there for 2 months. For 2 months. All the hard work, all the sleepless nights, everything. If you're in Lagos, you know how much properties in Eti-Osa cost. You know how much properties in Eti-Osa cost. Each time my son see me crying, he will always ask me why I'm crying. Mommy, you've been crying. How do I explain to our son? How? What do I tell my children? I'm trying so hard to be a strong woman, but this is very painful. I don't even wish anybody a pain like this. I don't wish anybody to work so hard, so tireless, and face something like this. I don't.
This is indeed heartbreaking. What is your take on this? Please feel free to drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, please remember to like and share this video.